So I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the project that I'm working on, the AMD Tribute. Last night I set this board up with the new cooler and everything on there, and it failed. So unfortunately I don't think we're going to be using this one for the project now. It's a shame because we wanted to salvage it because it was a pretty good board when it came out of the system. But it's got all sorts of problems. It can't detect the memory properly. The BIOS won't keep any of the memory settings, even though we've had the battery changed, things like that. So we're going to have to do some more investigation on this. So I will get this onto the test bed at some point, give it a good testing, see what we can do with it, see if it is fixable or not. But for now, to keep this project on track, I'm going to have to replace it. Now, instead of just replacing the board and reusing this CPU, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a bit more of an upgrade. Something more along the lines of a Ryzen processor, and quite fortunately I am currently looking at upgrading my test bench anyway. So what this is going to be replaced with is this. So this is a budget board from Asrock. It has been my test bench up till now and it's worked very well in the past. I've never had any issues with this at all. It's got a Ryzen 3 3200G, so it's got integrated graphics, which aren't too bad to be honest. You can play games on it already. It's got 16 gig of DDR4 3000, so this is a much more beefier system than what I had before. The motherboard is an A320 board, so it is on the budget side of things, but we've got an M2 slot, which I won't use on this build, and I've mounted a Wraith Max onto it already. So this is all ready actually to go straight into the system as it is. There's a bit of cabling to do, but apart from that it's going to be a bit of an upgrade and we'll get this project back on track. So if you want to keep seeing the progress on this build, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll be installing this board next.